Hello everyone. On this occasion, I will explain how I made a learning poster using the Canva application. Let's get started. First, you must have the Canva application. You can get the application by downloading it on the Google Play Store. Now, the display part of Canva looks like this. This next step is to find a poster template. Okay, and then click on it. So the results in the poster menu, there are many templates that are ready for us to use right away. So this makes it easier and faster for us. Many templates, guys. We can type in search to find the poster we want. For example, I use this. Okay, the results can be found here. So we're going to direct my project in making a learning poster. Well, the poster template that I use is this. Here you can see that there are several elements. In that element there is text that I can use to add greeting material like this. To insert an image like this, I need to download the image first on Google and then I download it. Then to insert, click the plus sign, then select the gallery section. After the image is pasted, we can position it on which side we want. I have finished my learning poster, then click this section to save it as a photo. Okay, like this. So, this is still the process of saving photos. Sometimes it can be fast or it can take a long time to save. Well, this is a sign that you have finished saving photos, guys. Automatically, my learning poster has been saved in the gallery. So, that's how I make a learning poster. May be useful. Okay, bye guys. See you.